Halloween is 2 months away, but you know what? That's just around the corner. You better start party prepping now. Let me show you how to make Jello shots using one of my favorite products, Soda Jerk Orange Cream. These things are fan-freaking-tastic. All right, guys, the first step to making the Soda Jerk Orange Jello shots is get yourself a hot plate, a pot, and some orange juice, and put 6 ounces in this bad boy. All right, now turn the heat on. You know what? We're not going to boil this. We're just going to warm it up so that our 10.5 grams of gelatin will dissolve. This might take a minute, but it'll be worth it. All right, now that we've got all the gelatin dissolved, go ahead and cut the heat to your hot plate. Now, normally I would do everything right in the pot, but because I want to show you guys on the video, I'm going to transfer this to a measuring cup. Now we're going to add 3 ounces of Deep Eddy Orange. Star of the show, Soda Jerk Orange Cream, 3 ounces. The perfect pour. Now we're going to sweeten this up a little bit with some simple syrup, 1.5 ounces. All right, so now we've got our Jello shot mixture all made up. Now we just need a vessel to put them in. And Mrs. Amora just happened to have these cute little cups. Put these bad boys in the cold box for a couple hours and they'll solidify out real nice. They're going to taste great. I'll see you in 2 hours. All right, guys, they've been sitting in the fridge for 2 hours, and now we have ourselves a Soda Jerk Orange Cream Jello shot. Let's give it the old college try. But before I do, you know what to do. Slap that follow button for me. Cheers. What am I, in college again? This is so freaking good. My God. Oh, it would be hard to stop at one of these bad boys.